Okay, to get started, I just added a background clip to my timeline as well as a text clip on top of it. To make our text flash, let's go over to the Effects panel and type strobe into the search box. Drag the strobe light effect onto your text clip. Then up in Effect Controls, change the strobe color to the color you'd like it to flash to. To change how fast it goes, you can click the strobe's duration value and set it to half the current value. You'll also want to change the strobe period to half its value so that the flash is even. Okay, this looks good, so that's it for me. Thanks for watching and see you next time.